Good morning, students. You are again welcome to Excel Commerce, and today we are going to discuss very important topic, marketing management. You already know that marketing management has a vast scope nowadays. Earlier, economics was there, and we used to accept the concept of economics. But today, with the influx of marketing management, there is a very wide scope of marketing, because everywhere you find marketing, people are involved in marketing of different products, of different services. So marketing management plays very important role in today's scenario. I would like to tell you that who actually introduced the concept of marketing management. In fact, Philip Kotler was the scientist, or you can say he was the father of marketing management. And Philip Kotler actually introduced the concept of marketing. So let us come to know all about marketing management. So before we discuss marketing management at length, it is important for us to understand what is the meaning of market. In fact, traditionally, when we consider the meaning of market is when buyers and sellers come in contact and there is a purchase or sale of products takes place. So when two people, seller and buyer, come together and there is exchange of goods takes place anywhere at any place, that place is known as market. But in modern sense, the concept of marketing or market has changed. It becomes the search of potential buyers or the actual buyers. Now, who are the actual buyers or potential buyers? We should understand what is the meaning of potential buyer. Potential buyer means, suppose there are two products. Say for example, you are involved in selling mobile phones. Now, suppose Nokia has come to the market earlier and it has established its market. Now the other company has also come to the market and they want to introduce their product. So who would be the potential buyer? Naturally, the other company will try to search all those customers who are the existing customers of Nokia phone. Moreover, he will search out the other potential buyers who can buy mobile phones of different range. So they are the potential buyers. So market in modern sense means that we are in search of potential buyer or the actual buyer. That is the meaning of market. It means a set of customers which are the potential buyers of the product. So that is the meaning of market. Now let us understand the meaning of marketing management. The meaning of marketing management. What is the meaning of marketing management? You already know that there is a point where goods are produced where goods are produced. That is known as manufacturer. There is another point that is known as point of consumption. Point of consumption means the consumers buy the product. What is the meaning of consumer? Consumers are the ultimate buyers of the product. They are the ultimate buyers of the product. Now, when there is a flow of product takes place from the point of manufacturing to the point of consumption. So this flow is not automatic. There are a lot of elements involved in making or in facilitating the flow of product from the point of manufacturing to point of consumption. So all these elements are involved. It means there are several elements are involved. Say for example, distribution, transportation, advertising, sales promotion activity, and ultimately the consumption of the product. So when the flow of product takes place from the point of production to point of consumption, then lot of elements are involved. So including all those elements, when we manage the flow of product from the point of production to point of consumption is known as marketing management. Means we manage the flow of or the smooth flow of the product from point of manufacturing to point of consumption. It is known as marketing management. But this concept is a traditional concept. Now, what is the modern concept of marketing management? So, before you understand the modern concept of marketing management, you will have to understand the meaning of need and want. Need and want. What is the meaning of need and want? Now, you should understand the meaning of need and want. Need means when a person feels deprived of something. When a person feels deprived of something. Now, who is the person who will feel deprived of something? Say for example, there are two neighbors, A and B. A and B. Now suppose A is having BMW car and B is not having that car, and B feels deprived of BMW car. So it is the need of B. It means the need is created. B will feel deprived of BMW car. So that is the meaning of need. Moreover, what is the meaning of want? Want means it is considered in a narrow sense. Need in a broader sense and want in narrow sense. Say for example, you are going for a trip by a car and you feel hungry. It means you are in need of food. So you would be in search of a restaurant. Then you will reach to the restaurant, and then what you will do? When you settle down, the waiter will come and he will serve you. He will serve you the menu, and you will find, you will search out which are the food required by you. So say for example, you have chosen chicken or mutton or chapati or anything. Then that is the want. You would say from the waiter that I need or I want chicken biryani. So that is the meaning of want. You want. So want is considered in a narrow sense, whereas need is in broader sense. You are in need of food, and when you have placed the order and you have chosen the item, that is the want. So need and want. I think you must have understood what is the meaning of need and want. So when you understand the need and want, then you can understand the modern concept of marketing management. The modern concept of management can be defined as a social process of searching products according to your need and want. And the marketeer wants to satisfy the customer's need and want. So he tries to manage, he tries to satisfy, he tries to offer you a product which can satisfy the need and want of the product, of the customer. So this is the modern way or modern concept of marketing management. In fact, marketing management is thought to be the social process. It is a social process of searching product according to your need and want. And the marketer's responsibility is to satisfy your need and want by offering such type of product to you. So I think you must have understood what is the concept of market and what is the concept of marketing management. Next day, we'll discuss the features of marketing management. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.